Hi, today I'm gonna talk about a very sensitive topic which people have is stuck weight. A lot of women come to me and they say, listen, we've been trying to do a lot of things. We are trying to eat right. We have been working out, but we do not lose weight. Yes, when people start, they want to lose weight, they start is they cut down on sugar, they cut down on fat, they cut down eating out, they try and work out. Yes, you do lose couple of kilos, but sometimes you start getting stuck at a particular weight. So if you are one of those, this video is going to be very informative for you. So first thing, what you need to also check is your sleep. Yes, everybody knows again that you need about 7 to 8 hours of sleep every day, and people are trying to get there and trying to sleep out 7 to 8 hours. But is that sufficient? No. Studies have shown that you have to sleep in a similar window. Like for example, if you sleep at 10, so try and sleep every day between 10 and 30. If you're sleeping at 10:30, then try and sleep between 10:30 and 11. Do not change. It should not be erratic that one day you're sleeping at 10, one day at 11:30. So try and have a similar sleep cycle or a sleep window. And secondly is try and sleep before 11 p.m. Do not sleep later than that, or I would say that try not to sleep later than that, because that will mess up your sleep cycle and your body will not be able to detoxify and regulate the hormonal functions what it should during the sleep cycle. So that is the first point. Two is, see if you're eating enough protein. Okay, a lot of people are underdoing protein. Some people, yes, they are also overdoing, but a lot of people who do not lose weight are underdoing protein. So how much protein do you require? 1 gram per kilo body weight. Say for example, you're 60 kilos, you need a 60 gram of protein. So even if you're taking 1.5 gram per kilo body weight is okay, but do not underdo, like do not have lesser protein. If you have sufficient protein, you will lose weight. 3 is probably you're overworking out. If you're overworking out, your body might get into an exhaustion phase and not lose weight, and rather get into a fat storing mode with whatever you eat. Even you're eating clean and eating healthy, eating salads and fruits. So try and see that your body is not over exhausted. I have lots and lots of cases. Recently also I have dealt with a couple of cases where they were overworking out and they were not losing weight. So just go and check if you are overworking out. And next point is hydration. Yes, you all know that you need about 10 to 12 glasses of water. Okay, but sometimes you may need a couple of glasses extra of water, so because of heat, summer, activity, and sometimes you may need 1 or 2 glasses lesser. So figure out what is the hydration level your body requires, and if you take care of these 4 things, I'm sure your weight will start moving again and you'll see your weighing scale moving in the right direction. So try these points and let me know how do you feel.